Hey guys, this is Carrie and welcome to my channel. I'm also known as Sassy yet Classy. Today's video is going to be, oh, there's a hummingbird. Sorry, I'm looking out my window right now. This is best light that you can have behind your camera because it's just all natural light. You can see behind me, it's just all natural. Anyways, today's unboxing is going to be I gotta find out what it is again. the Ipsy glambag plus, and I have this right here. I've already opened it. Now, see, what happened was the mailman decided that he was going to put it in the mailbox like this, and he crushed it. So I had to open it and make sure that the products were okay in here. So let me go ahead and open this, and I'll take the first item out. This is called Welcome to the Block Party, hashtag Ipsy Block Party, and that's the name of their thing. And then it has all the stuff in here, that we're going to be using, or that we're going to be bringing out for you. So let me see. Okay, so here we go. The first thing I'm going to pull out for you today, and this this is such a shock to me. I've seen so many of the unboxings of the Ipsy Plus, and I saw the Sunday Riley cream that I really wanted at $65. I was like, this is amazing. I want this product. I know Sunday Riley is really expensive, and I know they're very good, but I received this product. Now, help me out with this. Is it 3 skin? Is it 3rd skin? Is it 111 skin? You know, I don't know what it's called. I think it's called 3 skin. And this is a vitamin C brightening booster. And this is what it looks like. And I'll open it up and I'll show you on my hand. So that's what that looks like. And let me go ahead and read it and tell you. Oh, it smells so good. And I just got it all over my nose. Jeez. Okay, so let me go ahead and read about this. This is a lightweight concentrated formula, is infused with firming red rice extract, vitamin C to help diminish dark spots and brighten your skin, and antioxidants to hydrate and help prevent future pigmentation and age spots. This vitamin C, holy cow, this vitamin C booster is valued at $180, you guys. $180 for this. It's the size and everything. Oh my God. $180. That Sunday Riley stuff was only $65. This is liquid gold. Oh my goodness, that's amazing. Okay, center carry. Okay. Let's do this. Okay, the next product. This is on this page. This is the Ciate London Liquid Velvet Moisturizing Matte Liquid Lipstick called Pin Up. And that's what that looks like. Ciate London, it's got the color right on there. It's called Pin Up. Oh wow, this is a pretty color. Can you see it very good? So let me go ahead and open it, see if it has any smell to it. And it smells gross. It smells gross. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and do a swatch. Ooh, that's very pretty. That's very pretty. Look at that color, you guys. And now this, I believe, is matte. Yeah, it is a matte. And this says, the MO of this British beauty brand is using makeup to express your inner beauty, and we've always done for that. We're always down for that. This creamy, non-drying matte formula moisturizes your lips with hyaluronic acid to plump and coat them with a gorgeously saturated rich berry color. Tips. Using this innovative precision tip, outline your lips and fill in with color and press your lips together. So that's what that is. Let me go ahead and hand these off so they can be put away. I have my daughter helping me today. She's so much help. Okay, now let me go ahead and look in here. Oh, it looks like we have 2 products in one. This is the Suva Beauty Hydro Liner in Grease in 620 brush set. So here's the brush. Can you see it? It's got a very fine tip on it. Let me see if I can take it out here. So this is the tip on the brush. I don't know, you can barely see it. It's like a real pencil, you know, really, really thin tip. So I'm going to go ahead and try to put the lid back on here. And then this is the product right here. Let me go ahead and open that for you guys. See if I can open it up. I'm like all thumbs today, so please forgive me. Okay, I'm tearing this whole box apart, trying to get this little tiny product that's in here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let me open it. This is what it looks like inside. Now, if you can see, it's got a pattern. It's like a little checkerboard pattern. And I've already, looks like my daughter actually got into this one as well. I don't think it's the company because my daughter gets into all my boxes. She's giggling over here. Anyways, I've seen this before on an unboxing, and don't worry because it is dry. But what you have to do is you get yourself some Mac Fix Plus, or any kind of facial spray and wet it down, or you can even get water and you just sit here and just drag it in here, and it gives you a precise line. You can get your cat eye going on. So this is going to be very interesting. I'm going to try it out. If you guys want to see what it looks like, you want me to give you a demonstration, just leave me a comment down below and let me know if you want to see it. You know what, just leave me a comment about anything. How is your day going, by the way? I'm having a fantastic day today. It's very hot out. I live in Arizona, which is the desert, and it's probably about 108 degrees out here. Leave me a comment. What is the temperature where you're from? What kind of day are you having? Just anything. If you want to know, if you want me to try this product out right here, just let me know, okay, you guys? Now it says Suva Beauty aims to create beauty products that inspire creativity, starting with this liner and brush combo. The inky water activated cake liner glides on with a smooth matte finish to create precise lines that won't smudge, fade, or transfer. With the ultra fine 620 brush, application is total cinch. Its pointed tip arms you with the precision to create any line you like, from thick to thin and everything in between. So this is actually $26 for the set. I forgot to tell you how much the Ciate in London is, $19. So, I mean, geez, right here, this Suva Beauty pays for the whole box. You know, and I told you it's $180 just for this booster right here, you guys. Come on. How can you find something and get something and try it out for a $25 box? You can't get it anywhere else. This is just amazing. This and BoxyLux or BoxyCharm is my favorite subscriptions. And like I said, the subscription is only $25 a month. So let's move on. We have what looks like some face masks in here. Tula Skincare Major Glow Cooling and Brightening Sheet Mask. And the value is $26 for a set of 3. And here you go. So we have the 3 right here. And this says Olive Tula Skincare Superfood Probiotic Packed Formulas are developed to bring out your best, most radiant skin. This mask has a healthy dose of vitamin C to help brighten, papaya to exfoliate and nix dullness, and the probiotic strain Lactococcus ferment icetate and hydrate. Isate. Okay, I can't pronounce that. I'm really sorry. Iyasate. Anyways, beach bound. Use this mask after you get home. It makes for a super cooling and refreshing post sun treatment. So there you go for those. And we have one more product that I'm sure you're going to enjoy. Let me go ahead and take this out. And I think this has to do with it being the block party. And this product has to do with blocks. I don't know if you remember back in the 80s on Atari or even in Nintendo, they had the Tetris game. Now Tetris has combined with Ipsy to go ahead and make this palette. And let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Let's take it out. I used to love playing Tetris. It was, all the games now just can't compare to Tetris and Centipede and Space Invaders, all those games from the past, So, this, and it even says Tetris down here like they used to say it in the game. And so this is just really cool. It has a little blocks dropping like in the Tetris game. So you open this up, it's got a mirror, and this is what it looks like. Let me see if I can, there we go. Now, I know there's another one that has neutral colors in it, but I really like this. I really love the colors of this. I have plenty of neutral tone palettes. I think this one's pretty awesome. So let me take off the plastic so you can see a little better. Let's try this now. There you go. Let's go do some switchity swatches on here. So I've got Skyline, Back to Black, and High Score. And these are all matte colors. I'm going to build up the Back to Back again because it's very light. It's the color of my skin. So those are those three colors. Let's see. I can't even... I put them in the wrong place. I can't even... Let me move the camera. Oh my goodness. There we go. I swatched them in the wrong place. But that's what that looks like. And then let me do the three that are dual chrome, or, I don't know what the name is for them, but anyways, let's do it right here. So 1, 2, and 3. And those what those are. These three right here. This is a lipstick from earlier, but these three right here. And then you have the other ones that I can't even turn my arm. I don't even know why I swatched them there. But these are gorgeous. And let's see. It says, we partnered with iconic video game Tetris on its 35th anniversary to create a limited edition collection celebrating our different sizes, shapes, colors, and unique beauty. The shadow palette comes with 6 richly pigmented velvety buildable shades to create any eye look you want, from subtle to smoky to bold and beyond. For a bold liner look, sweep back and forth, back to back across your entire lid, then line upper and lower lashes lines with top out, line clear, or high score. So these come actually in, you can get them, your Ipsy add-ons at the beginning of the month. I believe it's in the second that they go through, and you can get these on your Ipsy add-ons, and I think it's $35, and you get the whole set. You get the 2 shadow palettes. I think you get a highlighter, and you get like 5 or 6 different lipsticks. It's really, really neat. You might be able to go on there and still get it at that price. I think normally it's like $150, but it's like $35 for add-ons. So I don't know, just go ahead and check it out and see what you find. So anyways, I'm going to show these all to you again. So here's a Tetris palette, $24. Here's a Suva Beauty Hydrating Liner Grease in 620 brush set. And this is $26 for the set. You have the 3 Tula masks, which is $26 for all 3. You have the 3 Skin, I believe it's called 3 Skin. Let me fix my camera, it's starting to move. I believe it's called 3 Skin. It could be 3rd Skin. It could be anything. And it's $180, you guys. This is so, I can't even describe how worth it this is to get this box. And yes, I am disappointed I didn't get the Sunday Riley product, but this is just as good. And it's worth a lot more. And lastly, you got the Ciate London lipstick, which is $19. So if you've hung around through this video and listening to my rambling and on, I would just like to say that I'm starting out. I'm having a lot of fun doing this. I know I'm shaky and a little scared, but I want you to know that I'm in this for the long haul, and these videos are going to get better. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and like my video, and you can even ring the notification bell, and you know, we're going to try to get this up and running. We're going to have so much fun. Trust me, fun is to come. And just please, 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 just have faith in me. Leave a comment below, anything that you can tell me that I can improve on, or if you think I'm doing a good job, just anything at all, comment below. All right, I love you guys. God bless you, and have a wonderful day.